Imagine walking into a room where everyone is shouting for attention, but the most powerful person there hasn't said a single word. Most people believe that saying yes makes them likable, helpful, or indispensable. They are wrong. In the crude mechanics of social dominance, a yes is often nothing more than a signal of low market value. It tells the world that your time is cheap, your boundaries are fluid, and your presence can be bought with a simple request. High-value individuals understand a darker truth. No is the ultimate tool of psychological leverage. It creates scarcity, and scarcity creates value. Today, we are dissecting why the most powerful men on the planet are masters of the refusal. We are moving past productivity hacks and entering the realm of the economics of access.
The first concept you must master is predator-prey calibration. In any social exchange, there is a seeker and a gatekeeper. When you say yes too quickly, you identify yourself as the seeker.
Someone hungry for validation or afraid of conflict. This makes you prey for social manipulators. High-value people use
no as a calibration tool to test the intent of those around them.
By refusing a minor request, they observe the reaction. Does the other person become aggressive,
manipulative, or respectful? This no is a filter that keeps low-quality individuals out of your inner circle before they can even cross the threshold. You aren't being rude, you are conducting a stress test on their character.
Then there is the pocket veto. Most people feel the need to justify their
no with long-winded excuses, which only invites negotiation and weakens their status. A high-value man knows that.
No is a complete sentence. By refusing without explanation, you utilize the power of strategic silence.
the other person's mind will rush to fill the vacuum of your silence.
With their own insecurities, they will wonder why they weren't worth the explanation. And in that wonder, your perceived status rises. You become an enigma rather than a servant.
This is the economics of access. If everyone has a key to your time, your room has no value. To control your trajectory, you must first learn to close the door. Control the no, and you control the room.
Most men spend their lives seeking a seat at the table. You are here to build your own. If you've made it this far, you are no longer part of the noise. You are becoming the silence that controls it. To master your mind and control your trajectory, you must be willing to walk alone until you find those who speak your language. Join the ranks of the few, subscribe to Calmwell, and let your results be your only noise. Control the no, and you control the world. We'll speak again in the next dissection.